I have a retractable screen door, and I've taken it off the patio because the screen was bad, and I'm going to make a replacement screen. I'm going to show you the old screen. It has a screen glued to a plastic piece that rides in a groove. So I'm going to make that out of Gorilla Tape and some standard screen spline. So I've cut the screen to size, and now I'm going to lay in the piping and tape it. I'll show that. So I used the Gorilla Tape, and you can see now when I put the first side on, you can see the overlap, and there's the rubber spline, and then there's the tape. Then I turned it over, the screen over, and I'm coming back along the other side with more of the Gorilla Tape, and that should do it. This is the Gorilla Tape that I used, and the spline that I used was the 4.2 millimeter with a 0.165 decimal or 11/64. So I've reinstalled the retractable screen on the door. I attached it through the use of this middle piece on the sliding door. When I originally installed it, I had to make that piece to fill in for this, and I had to do the same thing over here, and I had to make a piece for the bottom. But there it is. You can kind of see the Gorilla Tape there, and the screen works. And I'll be darned if the deer didn't want to see the project. They're just checking me out, going, hey, cool screen.